A story building just collapsed at Yaradua. All the home workers are still inside. Most of them are dead. A story building just collapsed right now. Please, God, make sure you hear us. At Yaradua Drive, Owerri, Imo State. A story building just collapsed. Whatever they will do, let them do right now. We need excavator right now. A story building just collapsed. We need excavator right now. People are still inside. Most people are dead. We need help right now. A story building just collapsed. Imo State government should hear us right now. At Yaradua Drive, a story building collapsed and people are stuck inside. Whatever they will do, let them do it right now. People are inside the whole thing. A story building, whatever you can do, whosoever you can reach, please try. A story building just collapsed at Yaradua Drive, Owerri, Imo State. And people are stuck inside. A story building just collapsed. As you can see,
If you are doing that thing, it was approved by the former government, not this one. You have to give people bring a half for please stop that. If you know what you are saying, so that you won't cause confusion to us. What you are doing is right, but use the right language.
You called the driver, and the driver told you that I've collected the ship from him.
It was not approved by this current government.
I just entered the compound now. Destruction is massive.
oh God of mercy.
How many people are trapped?
A story building
8-story building.
along Yaradua Drive, Owerri, Imo State. Just collapsed this evening, not quite long, about 10 minutes. Oh God, this is a huge loss. A huge loss. About 50 people were said to be inside when the cracking sound, they had the cracking sound. As of this moment, we cannot ascertain how many people can be able to escape this collapse. You can see people rushing down. Until now, those that are trapped are still inside. 8-story building. Oh God, my God. 8-story building.